It's that time of year again. Your MOT is due. Do you feel intimidated or worried about going to a garage? Come and visit us at the test centre. Our promise is to be efficient, friendly and professional. We make every customer's MOT test a fair and unbiased experience, regardless of gender, race or age. Today is a diverse world, and we are proud to be a diverse company. Join us on Female Friendly Friday, where one of our female testers will happily walk you through your MOT. Our family of staff, from MOT testers to our reception teams, are represented by over 40% females and increasing. As a family-owned business, all of our customers can rely on a friendly and professional service, and above all, we are a garage you can trust. Remember, we only do MOTs, so no costly unnecessary repairs. Plus, no pass, no pay, so there's nothing to pay unless you pass. The Test Centre. We are not like the rest, so put us to the test. Call or book online.